Hi everyone, let's create and sign up and login page using Firestore database, which creates in data dashboard on the screen. Let's see the code of index.js, which is the main, and it is the express. We have to install that express in our for creating the web server and handling the routes. We have to use the express. It is the Firebase admin for interacting with the Firebase services from a server, and these are the routes which have incoming requests and send appropriate responses. There are sign up route, sign in route, and home route, sign in submit route, sign up submit route. These are the routes which have, and capstone is my collection name, and these are the requirements for sign in and sign up. The server listens on the port 3000 and a message is logged in the console once it starts the listening. These are the sign up submit queries, and capstone is my collection name, and example app listening on the port is the 3000 which I have declared in the top of the page, and this is the total index space which I have created, and there are some files, and this is the example app listening on the port which is 3000, and it is the key file, key.json file, which is generated on the Firestore database. It is the package.json, it is package log.json, and we have to see in the home file, that is home.ejs. It is the css of the file. It is the HTML and CSS combined file. It gives the styling and basic main page of the dashboard, and it is the sign in file. It is the HTML. It contains both the HTML and CSS. It is the sign in. Let's run in the terminal. You have to run it on the terminal, and that is the command for run is, after opening the terminal, npm start. If you give npm start, it runs on the output. Okay, let's get the output localhost 3000, and it is the home page. If you have to sign in, this is the sign in button. If you give a name, I want to give you a name ABCDEF, and you have to give the last name. I have saved the email and the password in the last case, so it shows. If you give another email, and I have to use the same password, abc@gmail.com. And the address, if you give anyone, and the male, female, other, gender, date of birth, I have to give 6/9/2005, and pin code. The course, I have to give Java. If you click on the submit button, and if you want to save the password, save it, and if you have to log in, enter the details. Since I have saved the password, it shows. You have login, and if you want to check it on the Firebase, and it is my capstone collection name, These are the details I have created before. These are the details which you have created: address, course, name, password. If you have to go back, this is the main website. If you want to search for any course, I have to learn for the Python and click on the button start course. It goes to the tutorial of the Python. If you want to come back, this is the main website of creating learning using firestore database.